Hey traders, good afternoon, good morning, and it's morning for me actually. It's about 12:30 in the morning now, and I did my stock trading. If you followed the stock trading, thank you. And if you are new to the channel, I'm Scott Andrews, Forex trader. Started in Forex, just going back now to a live account. When I very first started, I started with a $500 small account, and here we are now. It wasn't actually, it was like 513. And here it is for the month so far. We've had a nice pound trade. This was taken on the Oana desktop live, and this trade, the euro, was taken on MT4. MT4 is available on Android and Apple phones, smartphones, but FX, what is it called? I think it's called FX Trade. Is not, but FX Trade lets you take exact positioning, so like units. So for example, I had 10 unit, not 10, I had 400 units on this, which equated to around 2% risk. I need to adjust that actually because now the accounts, so it's up around $30. This was floating, around $20 as well. I closed that out this evening, because it exceeded the 1R. I was just chasing a 1R. This risk was off. This was actually over 2%. It was closer to 3%. So I probably won't be doing that again, because what you want to do is accurately replicate, especially on a small account. You want the risk to be exact, because in a $5,000 account, a 0.01 lot trade isn't going to be $100, and it's only going to be $50. So that's something to take into consideration. You've got to protect your gains. You've got to be very much focused on protecting the capital. All right, but those are the trades, guys. Euro US dollar closed out at 1.25085. Look, I mean, just looking at the charts now, USD yen. Wow, that's very bearish. What do you want to think about, as well as a trader, as a novice trader such as myself? Your gut instinct is typically incorrect. Immediately I look at this and want to short the hell out of it. But I mean, just looking at it now, the move has sort of been made. The move's been made. Really, you want to sort of catch it around here, with the Bollinger Bands expanding. Now it's just, too much. I mean, the stop would be at 110. Entry would be there. That's quite a lot of pips. The problem is, then, just working this out, so it'd be like 194. So we zoom out, we go to the daily. So the next, it's like 194. So then you want to go and see when the next support level is. No. No, it's not. You just focus on the 3 decimal places there. Not decimal places, but the first 3. That's a 0.8. That's 185, so that's only 72. Yeah, so you see what I mean? So if you've got the stop loss up there and you want a 1R trade, there's going to be some major support down at 107. So that's something to take in consideration. That's why I ended stop loss. That's what I back tested on the 55-day moving average. So I'm not going to be able to take that trade, unfortunately. But USD yen, downward pressure, probably more so, to be honest. Let's have a look at the New Zealand dollar. The New Zealand dollar and the pound. Let's open this up actually. I apologize, I'm not prepared. Sometimes it loads and it does crazy stuff, but it's not doing that now. So I called INET about my terrible selling time. I was like, hey INET, I'm a trader. What are you doing? Oh, I got a comment. I don't. Okay, let's focus. All right, and I've got the two-factor. Okay. There we go. Let's enter in the right window. So this is something I didn't used to use, but is extremely helpful. It's a little bit different, but if you take a really small position, it doesn't come up. So it doesn't interact with MT4, which is good if your area of weakness is taking profits too soon, which, you know, on the demo stuff was definitely an issue for me. So here we've got, here it is. So as you can see, that was 10 units. That was too small. I thought it was $10, but I got in at 72.05 and 78.86, and here we are. So orders. So there we go. There's the pips. So quite a lot. So those are the positions, guys. Thank you for watching. No active trades pending order-wise. USD yen definitely a sell trade, but for me, risk to reward is just not good enough. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.